What up, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang. Today, another pair of buds, in-ear buds with the silicone tips. These are the YINYOO TWS 5.0 Q70s. Now, these are a pair of in-ear buds. They do have the silicone tips. Specs on these. First off, the case is going to be really good build quality. It's made of aluminum. It's a dope case. Really good build. The sound quality on these for 40 bucks are supposed to be incredible. So we're going to check them out. We'll do all the testing. Battery life, about 4.5 to 5 hours, and you get another 3 full charges with the case itself, and it takes an hour to charge them to 100%, so not bad. No wireless charging, but it does support the touch controls, so we'll run it through all of the testing. We'll check the latency. We'll check all of the good stuff. We'll do a mic test, but let's jump in. The Q70s, the branding, you got the Q70 here on the front. It does come in 3 different colors. Black, I believe there's a glossy and a matte black, and then there is a white as well. It does say 4 colors, but I couldn't find the 4th color. And just some specs on the back, but let's just jump right in. We'll check it out. Again, I do like the packaging, very compact. This is like a plastic, well, that's kind of cool. It's a hard plastic top. And here are the YINYOO Q70s. If we open it up, oh, that's a dope case. So this case has some weight to it, and it is solid. It is straight aluminum, and it's a really good looking case. And these are the glossy blacks, but the case is dope. It's a matte black finish, and it is solid. USB Type-C for charging on the back. On the bottom, there is nothing. On the top, we do have the branding from YINYOO, and we'll check them out. We're going to connect them. We do have 5 LED lights here on the front, and of course each light is going to represent about 25% or 20% of the charge of your pods. So overall, the build quality on this case is unbelievable for 39 bucks, 40 bucks. Let's see what else is in the box. We're going to have in here, should be the extra silicone tips, as well as the USB Type-C. So in here we have the USB Type-C for charging. Really cool, again, for 39 bucks that we get that. That case is dope. This is probably my favorite case of any buds that I've tried. This thing is solid, man. I'm impressed that a lot of the more expensive buds, the Razors I just checked, and the Jabra Elite, the 65Ts that I dropped a video on months ago, those cases compared to this were terrible. This thing is unbelievable. All right, guys, so if we take a look, the YINYOO, we got our LED lights here on the front and our branding on the top and the USB Type-C on the back. Nothing else around the case, and the case is solid. Solid aluminum. You don't get cases this good on $100 buds, $150 buds. This is one of the best cases I've ever seen on a pair of buds. It's dope, matte black finish, and it's solid aluminum. It's solid, and I like it a lot. If you open up the case, there are some LED lights. A red light does mean that it's being charged, and if you pull it out, they do have the blue lights, which indicate they are searching for pairing. Let's jump in. We'll pair them up. We'll do all the testing. Check them out. They're supposed to sound really good. So the YINYOO Q70s. Now if we take these out of the case, the blue LED light's going to come on for pairing. Go into Bluetooth just like any other device. It should be searching for these as we speak. Q70L comes up. So these do pair individually. And it does pop up to pair the other one as well. So the right one pops up. You hit connect on that. So once you connect it, if you go into Bluetooth, it's just going to read the left side and the right side individually. So you can use one at a time. If I was to throw either one in the case, the other one is still paired up, so you can use them individually. But you are stuck to whatever touch controls work with the left or the right bud. And we'll go into those as we do the testing. But right now, let's just do a sound test. So let's just jump in. We're going to play some music, see how they sound. So sound quality on these things is fantastic. You can hear the bass. It's crystal clear. And at $39.99, 40 bucks, I think this is a steal as far as sound quality. Now, I did have a little trouble connecting them individually. I had to do it a few times before I got it connected. But once they were connected, they work fine. The build quality of this case, along with the sound quality, if that's all these had to offer, I would pay 40 bucks for a pair of in-ear buds that sounded like this. Now, they are big, right? They're a little bigger than I normally would like, but they're not heavy and they're not really bothering my ears too many, and they're definitely not coming out. So if you want to work out in them or run with them, they're going to be fine. But let's just keep going with the testing. We'll do a mic test. We'll check the latency. There is no in-ear detection on here. And again, it's pretty good battery life. You're going to get about 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life. But let's just keep going with the testing. We'll do a mic test. What up, guys? Mic test. These are the Q70s. Another mic test. Let me know what it sounds like. Let me know if it's good, if it's bad. Let me know. I'm hoping they sound pretty good because the sound quality of the music sounds fantastic. So hopefully the mic sounds just as good. Next test, we'll check the latency. We'll jump into YouTube and we'll see if there's any delay between audio and video. No delay on audio and video. I'm going to do another test because some of the other videos that I watched when I was checking these things out, there was a very slight delay on iOS and YouTube, but we will check it out and just see. So no delay at all watching content on here. There's not going to be any delay on Netflix if there's none on YouTube. And I'm impressed by that. I did watch videos by other guys on YouTube that reviewed these, and there was a slight delay on YouTube and iOS, but no delay for me. Let's just continue the testing. Again, no in-ear detection. We'll jump in. We'll do the touch controls. Now, the way these work on the Q70s, if you're getting a phone call, 2 taps will answer or end your phone call. And if you're listening to content, music, 2 taps will play and pause. 3 taps on the left bud will go to the next track, and 3 taps on the right bud will go to the previous track. We cannot activate our voice assistant, however, from here, but if you have a Google or a Siri on, then it will activate your voice assistant that way. So let's just try it. We'll play some music and we'll go in and we'll try all of the touch controls. We'll do 2 taps for play and pause first. So we'll play some music. Again, no in-ear detection, so I can just do it this way. So 2 taps, pauses, 2 taps again, and it plays. We'll do the left bud, pauses, plays. And you don't have to tap it that hard. It's very sensitive, and I like that. I don't want it to be like, if it's in my ear and I have to tap it hard, it kind of bothers my ear. And that's one of the main reasons I'm not a fan of the buds that have the in-ear style. But so 2 taps on either bud, you can play or pause. Now we'll do 3 taps. 3 taps on the right should go back to the previous track. So take out the bud. We'll play some music. We'll hit it 3 times. It started that song over. Went back to the previous track. Do it one more time. Goes back to the previous track. Now the left bud. Now 3 taps on the left should go to the next track. Goes to the next track. Next track. All right, guys, the Q70s. Let me know what you guys think. Let's talk about the pros. Sound quality on these things are fantastic. Some of the best. At this price point, they are the best that I've heard. But these compared to me, I mean, with the AirPod Pros, as far as sound quality goes, if you guys pick these up, let me know what you think. Let me know how they sound. But that's a lot of the good, right? And there's not a lot of features, there's not a lot of functions, no in-ear detection, no wireless charging, hence the price. We do have some touch controls. Connectivity, they connect one at a time, and it did take me a few minutes to get them connected, but once I got them connected, they worked fine. No delay between audio and video. Battery life on here is pretty good. You're getting about 4.5 to 5 hours of battery and another 3 times with the charging case. So battery life on these things are pretty good for the price. And the sound quality alone is worth it for 39, 40 bucks because of the lack of other features. Now, if these things were 80 bucks, 90 bucks, I probably wouldn't recommend them. But at 39 bucks, I think they're a good pickup because the sound quality and the build quality of these are amazing. Let me know how the mic sounds. Again, I'll check it out when I edit the video. But overall, these things are pretty good. I'm impressed. I didn't think they would be this good at this price. So I'm impressed. $39.99. I'll drop the link below. They're on Amazon, so fast shipping. You can check them out. The Q70s, guys. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. If you didn't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you had a good weekend. And we'll be back with more videos. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with more videos. Peace.